Looking at Ethereum, I mean, Ethereum really, it really doesn't look bad. We wicked and tested both the support band and the 50 weekly moving average, which is very similar to what happened back here in May 2020. And honestly, if we're zooming out, we've said it in the past, it almost looks like you got one bottom, top, bottom, top. If you want to say fourth bottom, that's fair. I would say, well, we don't have a bottom here, or we don't have a bottom here, but it's almost like it's bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Yeah, nah, look. If you got bottom here, top here, bottom, fake top, like fake bottom, fake top, new real bottom, you've got top, bottom, if you want to call that whatever, that's not really there. Top again, bottom, another top, fake bottom, or fake bottom, bottom, and then now we're moving up. So we might even be in here somewhere because if you look at that, you're holding the support band and the 50 moving average, which last time you smashed right through it, which is basically like what happened here, but now you're holding it. Another thing we pointed out is a similar scenario back here where you have your shoulder top or top rather drop top, you know, fake top, bottom, and then you start moving higher. Once again, looking at this, here it is again, holding the yellow line. Well, it's actually below the yellow line here, but it's near the yellow line and it's over the support band. So in my opinion, I do think personally that we're getting ready to gear up for a mega run here because you're seeing the same thing on Ethereum that you've seen in the past when it's done this. Now, I would say Ethereum below 3160, that argument's off the table. So the mega bullishness that I just highlighted gets invalidated with Ethereum below 3169. However, you can see that the 618 is all the way down here at 2900. So I would even say 2900 is the lowest we can go and still have some type of bullish argument for the into the year. Because if we start dropping down below 3100, then we're gonna have another correction. We're gonna lollygag at 2900 for 3 weeks. That's just how it is. We always lollygag. Every time we go down, we lollygag. It takes forever. So I would say 2900 is the lowest we can go and have any type of argument for bullish movement. But in the short term, I really think we need to hold over this 31.5. So I do think this needs to hold for us to have any type of upswing in April and May. So if it doesn't, then unfortunately we are going back to 29.5. Something to look at. I highlighted Ethereum Classic last night. How looking at Ethereum Classic, the weekly candle looks really good in my opinion. You got rejected at the 50 just now, or I guess whenever that was. Holding the support band. Last time this happened was back here in January of 2021. Monthly MACD is about to flip green on Ethereum Classic. If that's not bullish, then I'm never using MACD ever again. Which it's not green yet, but you can see the selling pressure is dissipating. Looking at the BTC pair, I believe it's the same chart actually. Yeah, the monthly support band is holding. Like, if this isn't bullish, it already flipped green actually monthly. The monthly BTC pair for Ethereum Classic has flipped green. So if this isn't bullish, then like I said, there's no point of looking at indicators like that because the whole point is, and it's supposed to be a confirmation, right, with price action, but you can see that the Bitcoin pair literally came down to the 786 for 3 months and then ripped to the upside. So it should technically be bullish, and I think it is bullish long term. So I do think Ethereum Classic is going to have a nice run. A lot of people are saying miners are going to migrate over. I agree with that statement. So we're over the support band for the first time since June 2021, but flipping from red to green and holding. That's the first time since January 25th of 2021. So we just flipped from red to green. So this one was red to green. I do think a move like this follows. However, looking at Ethereum Classic again, we don't want to assume. We can say 618 has to hold at $38. So I would say $38 has to hold and the bull run survives. If you want to get even more technical and zoom in like this and say $40.59 for that 618, for something like this, I would definitely say is on the table. And then a break below $40, we really have to hold $38. So any type of bullish argument below 38 is invalidated. As long as we're over 38, Ethereum Classic is still macro bullish. Same thing with Ethereum. I would actually argue mega bullish, which my chart is gone. Oh, Bitstamp. The super bullish scenario is 3150. I would say any type of bullish argument is actually 29 and change. So that's pretty much it. Best of luck. Just my opinion. None of this is financial advice, and you always have to do what's best for you.